Hey, what's up everyone, this is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 CLS 550 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 4.7 V8 twin turbo pushing out 402 horsepower and 443 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. This one also comes with the wheel package, which is going to give you 19-inch AMG multi-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Up front we've got a diamond style grille. A black leather interior. Sunroof. Coming around back we've got a rear spoiler. CLS 550 4MATIC badging. A power liftgate, a set of new floor mats, coming alongside. This one does come with the lane tracking package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist and lane keeping assist. This one does come with a keyless entry. Also included is the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, a nice black ash wood trim. Hopping in. We got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Navigation. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera. Our radio, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, our buttons for our infotainment center and different driving selections. This CLS has 18,048 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLS 550, check out feldmanimports.com.